He cleaned offices at night, empty trash cans, mopped floors, wiped desks. But 2 years later, he walked into that same building not as a janitor, but as the owner. This is the story of how one man turned minimum wage into $1 million empire. His name was Mike, 32 years old, living in a small apartment in Chicago. No degree, no savings, and barely making $2,000 a month as a janitor. Every night while the city slept, Mike worked alone, cleaning offices of people who were living the life he dreamed of. Nice suits, big salaries, success. And every single night, one question stayed in his mind. Why not me? Mike wasn't lazy. He worked 8 to 10 hours every night nonstop. But the truth was simple. Hard work alone wasn't changing his life. Bills kept piling up, his car kept breaking down, and his bank account was always near zero. Then, one night, while cleaning an office, he noticed something different. A computer screen left on, showing charts, numbers going up and down, stocks. He didn't fully understand it, but something clicked. The next day, instead of going home and sleeping, Mike did something different. He opened his phone and started learning. YouTube videos, free courses, podcasts, anything about money, investing, and business. At first, it was confusing. Nothing made sense. Charts looked random. Strategies felt complicated. But Mike didn't quit. While others relaxed, he studied every single day. After 3 months, he managed to save his first $500. It wasn't much, but it was everything he had. With fear in his heart, he invested it, slowly, carefully. At first, he lost money. And honestly, most people would stop right there. But Mike didn't. Instead of quitting, he learned. He studied his mistakes, adjusted his strategy, and kept moving forward. Then, one day, something changed. One of his investments started growing, fast. $500 turned into $1,200, then $3,000, and for the first time in his life, Mike saw real progress. But he didn't celebrate. He stayed focused. At night, he cleaned offices, and during the day, he built his future. Within a year, Mike wasn't just investing anymore. He started a side hustle. Using simple AI tools, he began offering small online services, content writing, automation, digital tasks. At first, the money was small. $100, then $500, then $2,000 a month. But he stayed consistent, and slowly, everything started to change. 2 years later, Mike had made over $1 million. The same janitor who once struggled to survive was now financially free. But what he did next shocked everyone. He didn't quit and disappear. Instead, he used his money to buy a share in the cleaning company, the same company where he once worked as a janitor. From employee to owner. Today, Mike doesn't clean offices anymore. He owns businesses, invests his money, and lives the life he once dreamed about. And his story proves something powerful. You don't need to start rich. You don't need connections, and you don't need luck. All you need is the decision to stop surviving and start building. So the next time you feel stuck, remember this. The place you're working today might be the place you own tomorrow.